My life's journey has been a testament to resilience, self-determination, and a deep passion for learning. Born and raised in the serene countryside of southern Iraq, my story is one of humble beginnings, a relentless pursuit of knowledge, and a diverse career path that has taken me on unexpected adventures. My story begins in the heart of the Iraqi countryside, where I was born and raised, surrounded by the picturesque landscapes and the warm embrace of a close-knit family. I developed a profound connection with the land, its people, and a love for learning. Despite the limited resources in our rural community, my thirst for knowledge was insatiable. In the absence of formal educational opportunities, I turned to Arabic English dictionaries and newspapers as my gateway to the world beyond. Reading newspapers provided not only language skills, but also insights into global affairs and diverse cultures. As I reached adulthood, the desire to further my education became an undeniable calling. I set my sights on Baghdad University, a renowned institution known for its academic excellence. This decision marked a significant turning point in my life, as I left behind the countryside and embarked on a new chapter in the bustling city. Upon graduating from Baghdad University, I embarked on a career marked by diversity and learning. My life story shows that with hard work and a love for learning, we can achieve our dreams. I hope my story inspires you to follow your dreams too.